To estimate the amount of forms you're gonna need, you can start with the most common size of forms, which is 24 inches, which is also 2 feet. And this can help you actually lay out the forms right here, one by one. Now, of course, this is quite a bit of work and you don't have to be that precise. What I would rather do is you can measure this in feet right here, and right here it's 20 feet, and you just divide that by 2. So over here, you're gonna need 10 forms because 20 divided by 2, 10 forms right here on the outside edge, right? So you're safe to say you will need 10 forms over here as well. So we already got this wall and this wall out of the way because we know that one side we're gonna need 10 forms. For the second side, we're gonna need another 10 forms. So this side right here 10, over here 10, so 20. So we know we need 20 forms here. This is the same thing, 20 forms here. Now over here we can do the same thing for this long wall, and 31 feet. So 31 divided by 2 is 15.5. So you can estimate 16 for each side. Oh, but the inside is actually much smaller. Doesn't matter. It's better for you to estimate the cost as more than less. So right here, 16 on this side, 16 on this side. So you need 32 forms over here. And this tiny little one, you already have the measurement, 14. So it's 7 on each side, which is 14 total. 14. So now we add up the amount of forms, which is 14 plus 20, 34, plus 32. So 34 plus 32, 66, plus 20. And that is about 86 forms. Why do I like to do it this way? Because I do. And there are other ways to do it too. And I'll tell you how. Now that you identified that you'll need 86 forms, what you can do is, we know that the cost of each form to rent is about $125. So all you gotta do is multiply 125 by 86, and this is what you get. 125 by 86, 10,750. 10,750. Now, on the other video, we had already identified that the cost of forms alone was going to be, sorry, not the form, the cost of concrete was going to be about 5,000. So for the rental of forms for the foundation wall, this wasn't for the footings, because the footings we can do with lumber because it's only 10 inches tall. So for both the rental of foundation wall forms and concrete, you are at 15 already. So a company that has their own forms, they're gonna win this bid for sure, because they can cut this cost off. Or they can also, since it's not that big of a wall, because those garage walls, I don't have the elevations to show you guys right here, but these garage walls, they're only 5 feet tall. So they are like this. They are this tall, and the footing is only 12 inches deep, which is this. So this is how the footings look like. And this is the dotted lines you guys see as well, right? It represents the footings. So you just need to form this tall up, and this you can actually do with lumber. And an interesting thing about the garage, typically garages, they are about this much. Let's see, 12 inches above grade. So I can check the soil because right here, I meant I can check the drawings because right here we've got 5 feet of depth, but all that we really need is 36. So there is a chance for frost protection, right? So there is a chance that this entire footing system right here can be right here. And so let me see if I'm able to find those elevations with you guys over here on the email. Let's take a look. And I found them. So now we're going to open this elevation over there so we can have the final answer. Let's use this right here. All right, we just opened this on ArcSight. Now what we need to do is calibrate. So you come right here to calibrate, and the first information we have is that those footings, they are 12 inches deep. So we come right here and we calibrate this at 12 inches or 1 feet. It's the same thing. Calibrate it. After I calibrate it, now I can come measure from the top of the foundation to the footing. And over here we've got 4 feet, and over here we got 560 total. So from the elevation to the bottom, they are at about a little over 46 inches, which is 3 feet and 10 inches. Yep, so this is helpful because this can help you have a good information, a good idea of what size forms you can use. So from here to here, we've got 4 feet. So those forms are cheap, or it is small enough that you could use just plywood. So, yep, that's it for this video.